Hey YouTube, what is up? Welcome to this video about me, Joshua, a starting artist in Barcelona. If you're new to the channel, I'm a person who makes light art, as you can see in the background. I also do epoxy, and I'm actually working on several furniture pieces right now. And in this video, I actually have a lot to show you. To the other people following, you'll see the change, like this little corner in my bedroom will be used as a promotion corner to take pictures. Because again, my workshop, I don't really have the space for that. It's always dirty. So yeah, that's going to be a good use for that. And just in the workspace, yeah, a lot has been changed. The booth has been painted. I've made a new working table. I'm working on several new prototypes, painting frames, a new like Dream Cube, Infinity Cube table size, like 50 by 50 centimeters. So yeah, let's get into it and I'll show you guys right away. All right. Hey, what's up? So yeah, this is how the workspace is looking right now. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, I would say please leave a like or subscribe because there's much more coming in the future. And if you're not new, I hope you can see the change. Everything is much more bright. Of course, it's not done to perfection. It is still a workspace. The walls are made out of leftover wood and everything. I didn't paint everything to the last detail, but it does make a huge difference for brightness, for taking pictures, to make it look a little bit more professional in the videos and make it easier for the lighting, because it's very hard to just take really good nice pictures here. Now everything is a bit scattered around. I'll go over it one by one because there is quite a lot to talk about. So yeah, I'll just jump into it and show you guys. So yeah, as I said before, it's a bit scattered around everything, and I'll go over piece by piece, one by one. For me, one of the biggest changes as well is this table. The table is completely made out of recycled metal, and it's all full of metal that I found around the workshop and everything that's going to be reused in other projects. I'm going to really try to recycle as much as possible, except for, of course, the prototyping. As you can see, this is all new. This is going to be turned into a big dream cube, infinity cube, the way you want to call it. We all know what it is, but there are not many big ones out there. It's a table bought from Amazon. It's simple, it's cheap. But it's a great base to work on. The outside framing is done. Two of the glasses are ready to go in. But yeah, I'm waiting for resources on this, guys, which is, yeah, a little bit of a pain in the butt right now. But yeah, we can continue on with other pieces. Let me show you. This is the table that you've probably already have seen in different videos, like in the other vlogs that I've shown you. It's one that I found in the streets. The base and all, everything is nice and straight on it. So I've built in the LEDs. The purpose is going to be so that it has a back mirror and a front piece of glass with either window foil or a real two-way mirror, so that you can have the real infinity effect on this, which I really love. And this, the other piece I'm working on, so this is one of the epoxy paintings that, yeah, I've already shown it a few times. It came out pretty good. It won't be for sale because, yeah, it's not up to the standard I want it to be. So I'm just using it for further building, framing, prototyping, the way you want to call it. And it's actually going to be turned into a clock. I've already ordered like all the little pieces and parts you need to turn it into a clock. And the only thing I'm going to change is like the diffusion of the light of the LEDs is not to my liking. So I'm just going to really put in full strips, just like the table here with the cover, so that the light is diffused much better. And so yeah, I'll switch over to some tools. So yeah, to make stuff, you need to have stuff to be able to make stuff. So as you can see here, I've already bought some things. I'm not sponsored by Makita by any way. Let me just make that very clear. I just really needed these tools. Just a rip saw with a cable, a little drill, very easy, very useful. Just a little piece of advice: if you buy one, try to get one with a metal framing. It's much stronger, it can withstand much more. Of course, a drill set for wood and metal, and so on, and of course an angle grinder. This baby is helping me a long way. One on batteries. I don't like angle grinders with cables, just because I don't need it so much. It's never that I'm grinding for hours straight, but with the battery it's just easy to get in the corners, and even also with speed adjustment. That is just super for when you, like, for example, put a steel brush on it, like something like this. that the wires don't start flying around, that you can just do it nice and quiet, everything good. And also very important, yeah, to get the measurements right. I want to work in detail, so all these bits and pieces are very important to me. I already had a level, a very cheap one, got me a Stanley one, much better. This thing is absolutely great, can advise it to anyone. I didn't know the brand before, but it is quality. You can feel it from the metal and everything. It's a very good piece, and yeah, of course, this doesn't need explanation for the things I'm working on. But yeah, I'll cut this a little bit short because today I also need to go get some tools. I need to go get a lot of stuff. I'm going to Los Encants. It's a place in Barcelona. It's like the big flea market. It was closed before, but now suddenly it's back open again, and I do need some new tools. I need a sander to continue, for example, on this piece, to sand it, to polish it, and so on. So yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.